Baba T tena ni nani?
Nimo COVID.
Umeblock mtu mbona? I don't let people disrespect me. Yes, if you are my friend, you don't let strangers abuse your friend. You are not my friend, okay? Yes, I don't entertain friendship kama hizo mimi. We are mature enough to know that, right? Yes. You don't let people, strangers. You don't let your friend insult your friends and then you're just there seated and unaona. So I don't do that. Mimi naambia tu kweli. Siwezi kuwa niko hapo, mimi rafiki yako atakuwa anatusio uko hapo unacheka. No, we don't normally do that. Unaona? We don't. So kama nyinyi marafiki wale kupendezana, me I don't gain anything from that person. So learn to know that, okay? Yes. Learn to know that we have boundaries. Everybody has boundaries. We have things to joke with. We have things that you don't have to joke with. Yes. So jueni hivyo. Kuna vitu za kujoke, kuna vitu zingine si za kujoke. We have boundaries. Sisi ni watu wakubwa sana. Tuko na heshima zetu. Sisi hatujapoteza dignity sisi. Dignity yetu bado iko. That's why tunasukuma bado in ndio. And that is me. I normally block any negative ni kupita mbele yangu ni hivyo. Me, I'm straightforward. Let me tell you, straightforward. I normally block any negative energy on my way. You be my friend. Let us respect one another. If you are my friend, for example, Chichi, you are my friend, you need to respect Baba Talisha the way I respect you. Ukisikia kuna mtu ananiongelea mahali, you have to defend me, or sometimes you just have to, sometimes even kukosa kuongea pia ni heshima tu, unaona. It's not a must you have to talk. So siongeleanga watu mimi TikTok, sijaongelea mtu TikTok, so sijui mbona conversation zenye zikuwe hivyo. So guys, tupatane so tupatane huko ni tupatane mahali panaitwa Ashaki Gardens, okay? Respect is paramount. Respect is earned, not demanded, okay? So you respect me, I respect you too.